What's up, y'all? It's your host, Black Knight Samurai, and welcome back to another How to Trombone. Today, we'll be learning the trombone embouchure. Alright, so first what we're going to do is I want you to anchor the corners of your lips to your cheeks as such. Then what we're going to do is look into the previous video that I've uploaded, How to Trombone Airflow, and use the airflow technique. So, now do that 3 times and then take a break. Maybe just, short 15-second break. All right, next what we'll do is take your mouthpiece from your instrument case and you're gonna use the same anchored lips to corners like we did before, while also using the breathing technique. And I just want you to blow straight through the mouthpiece. We're not trying to make a sound yet. We're not doing anything like that. Just blow straight through the mouthpiece. Another thing that I forgot to mention, make sure your shoulders don't rise when you're blowing through the mouthpiece. Make sure it's just coming all from the stomach. It's the same things I was saying in the first video. Make sure it's coming all from your stomach. So now before we put the mouthpiece to our mouth, what we're going to do is incorporate both of the technique that we just learned. So use the airflow technique with the breathing and use the corner technique with the trombone embouchure. And blow the air as fast as you can with that embouchure. And you should get something like this. It's called a buzz. That's what you want when blowing into the mouthpiece. That's what will produce your sound. The last what we're going to do is we're going to produce a sound. Now, it's okay, whatever sound comes out, as long as we're making the sound, it's progress. So, as such, using both the techniques, corner of the lips to the cheeks, and using the airflow technique, you'll get this. That'll be all for this episode. If you have any questions, make sure to hit me up in the comments and make sure to like, comment, subscribe. This is Black Knight. Until next time.